Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the gold markets. Now gold had a fantastic week last week. We finally got a catalyst that pushed us above that 1830 area, which had been acting like the roof in this market for several months now. It's an area where we'd struggled to break above on 5 or 6 previous occasions. But of course we had some high tensions last week with regards to Russia invading Ukraine on the Ukrainian border. It's caught the eyes of most of Europe and the US, and there's been some pretty, there's been a lot of tension with regards to that subject this week, and it's actually caused the US to fly over to Ukraine and to go and host talks with Russia, etc. So of course that has acted as a catalyst to send gold above the 1830 area, and we are seeing typical price movement at this moment in time for the gold markets. Now the good news is that gold actually digested those gains midweek, and when I say that, I mean that we were able to still kind of trade around this 1840 area. But in the past day or so, we have seen gold flip over, and we actually went and tested the 1830 area. Now this is a typical move you see in the markets. When you break out of a resistance area, you typically come back down and test it as the new floor in the market, and then that's where you head up towards the upside. So the big question was, can gold hold 1830 as the floor? And I'm happy to announce that it has held it. Well, I'm happy to announce that for the bulls. Of course, I still have a short position open here for the gold markets, but this is very positive for the gold bulls, and it could potentially send this market up towards 1877. Time will tell, but at this moment in time, the markets are extremely volatile, so anything can happen. It's all about taking the markets one day by day. We have the stock market plummeting as well, so of course that's probably invited many investors to come and inject their capital into gold. But personally, for me, the longer term picture, it doesn't really change much. I think we do eventually head back down towards 1700 and then eventually 1500. That is my end of the year target for gold. I'm extremely bearish. We've got a Fed that's hiking in interest rates at a rapid pace, and of course accelerating the tapering process. And I think that eventually gold will turn over once these tensions in Russia do de-escalate. And that's something that I was going to touch on. If we did see Russia come out and pull its troops out, away from that Ukrainian border, then you can expect to see gold to flip over. And it would be very risky for me to say if I do know for sure whether gold will go up to 1877, because I don't know what's in the mindset of Putin. I don't think anyone does. But as I just mentioned, if Russia were to pull their troops out of the Ukrainian border, then for sure you can expect gold to trade back below 1830 and go and test those 50 and 200-day EMA. I think that's the next supportive area for the gold market, around 1800. But at this moment in time, gold is above 1830. This was very bullish for gold, and as it stands, we could see a rally going into next week up towards 1870. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.